शैली, क्या हाल है आपके?
Have you told him कि आप इंटरव्यू कर रहे हैं?
You know, you can't take the host out of me at all. But having said that, guys, मैंने गलती से शैली को ना रूम में से किसी ने बोला शैली is waiting for you inside. मैं कहा वो शैली नहीं है, शैली है. Am I right about it?
Absolutely.
Okay, Shali.
100 marks for starting the first answer correctly. All right, good afternoon, everyone. Oh, God, everyone's quiet. They told us this is a session after lunch. Where was the protein in your meal? Come on. Let's hear it this afternoon. So what should we start with, movies or music? Whoa.
Music.
ये तो question नहीं हो सकता ना.
When they say music, मेरे दिमाग में सिर्फ एक ही चीज आती है.
बिल्कुल.
कुड़िए नी मेरे दिल विच वस जा, कुड़िए नी तेरे बिन मनई जचदा, कुड़िए नी मैं तेरा दीवाना, कुड़िए नी तेरे बिन मनई रहना, कुड़िए नी चुप्पी ता तोड़, कुड़िए नी आना कानी भी छोड़, कुड़िए नी कुड़िए नी कुड़िए नी कुड़िए. हाय शैली, हाय कुड़िए.
जरूर आपने बहुत अच्छे से गाया, लेकिन जरूर के बिना हम आगे कैसे जाएं, बताइए.
It's funny कि मैंने अपना favorite गाया गाना, but I think the audience current favorite song is जरूर, so I'll just give one line. बैठे के तो बदला तो दूर होनी है, मेरे वांगू मजबूर होनी है, सुन दी तो गल भी जरूर होनी है, सुन दी तो गल भी जरूर होनी है.
Fantastic. अब ऐसा है that in the last 24 hours there was another song, but I have to keep something for my ending, okay? So
Yes,
let's just
100%, 200%.
yeah.
I was about to say 3 गाने back to back एक साथ कैसे गाऊंगा मैं?
बिल्कुल.
Yeah, Shailee, let's discuss.
Actually, let's deep dive in music, right? I think it's a conversation that we all really want to go and peel further because everyone's talking about numbers, what's the next big story. Apar, what do you see as the biggest trend in music today?
The biggest trend in music today, fortunately or unfortunately, is Instagram, because the parameter for a song कि वो hit है कि नहीं है becomes कि उस पे कितनी reels बनी है. So when I say fortunately or unfortunately, see, unfortunately for a purist like a Rahman Saab or an Amit Trivedi sitting in Mumbai, they shouldn't be thinking about कि ये 30 second का loop click करेगा कि नहीं करेगा, you know. And it's unfair on them or anyone, any purist, you know, who's starting off. Fortunately, somebody sitting in Kapurthala in Punjab, or maybe, you know, Sitapur in UP, he or she doesn't need a music label to release their song. They don't need a music video shot by an A-lister, you know, choreographer. I mean, they can just put out their music and it can really trend. उसमें एक बहुत बड़ा लूप होल है that things like बदोबदी और you know वो भी ट्रेंड कर जाते हैं, you know. So Instagram का थोड़ा सा एक गलत वो भी है, like या कौन से रंग का पहने हो. So you know, it's I mean, I'm not asking you, but but I mean, really trends, and it's difficult that how do you, where do you, you know, एक वो बाउंड्री कहाँ क्रिएट की जाए कि यार इसको एक क्रिएटिव जर्नी तक ही रखो. अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो थोड़ी एक प्रॉब्लम है.
आप वो बाउंड्री क्रिएट करते हैं?
यार यू कांट, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. वो इंस्टाग्राम इतना ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग मीडियम हो चुका है, सोशल मीडिया इतना ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग, यू नो, करेंसी हो चुकी है. सच अ स्ट्रॉन्ग करेंसी, नॉट ओनली फॉर अस आर्टिस्ट, फॉर ब्रांड्स, फॉर एवरीबडी. एनीवन अंडर द सन टुडे नीड्स टू बी ऑन सोशल मीडिया to kind of show their work.
So, you know, let's talk about showing the work. I like the way you tied in the whole idea of social media to music. Going forward, majority of the people here are constantly thinking about media plans, what's the next big story, is there a new platform coming? As an artist, how do you keep up with these trends? And most importantly, what trends do you think are defining the next few months or years, particularly from the point that, you know, there's a constant shift in consumers. And consumers are saying, not only do I need to be entertained, I need more platforms and I need different formats.
You're right in a way, but I actually wanted to add something more to what you were, you know, talking before this, कि do you take care of that? उसमें एक छोटी सी लाइन में और कहना चाहता था, for that goes right for everyone, you know. कोई भी किया रहे हो, and if your product is there on Instagram or social media, like my music, I think you need to still be careful about what you're putting out there. Like you were talking about Sona Mukhra, which released yesterday, one of my songs just released. So, from Kudiyani to Zuru to Sona Mukhra yesterday, no matter what, the writing and the composition and everything together is not, like for example, the Mukhra goes into, I'll just explain the lines also to them so that not everyone would understand Punjabi. So Mukhra goes into, Nazara teri kaal kitta, shair da gabru shair kitta, dab vich rakhya bade dina da ek na kuriye fire kitta. So which means, ki, like this is the story of a macho boy, okay, and Nazara teri kaal kitta, which nazar ne mujhe ghayal kar diya. शायर व गबरू शायर कितना, otherwise I was a full gabru, okay, but तूने मुझे शायर बना दिया है. And further it says, डब्बे विच रखे बड़े दिनादा, which means, you know, in Punjab they keep the pistol here and, you know, it's like that's called a dub, okay. डब में रखा हुआ है काफी दिनों से, मैंने फायर नहीं किया, मैंने छोड़ दी हैं वो चीजें. What I'm trying to say is, at least for me, the writing or the composition, most of the time I do it myself or I have fellow artists I collaborate with. ये बात particularly, एक दो लोगों ने बोला ये लाइन हटा दो किसी को समझ नहीं आएगी. मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, लोगों को शायद बाद में अगर if they resonate with the song and the composition and the writing, they might just want to go back and check कि क्या बोला क्या है उसमें. And it is a thought to be taken care of कि यार प्यार ये भी करवा सकता है आपसे कि आपने ये चीजें भी छोड़ दी हैं. So it's really important to you know keep in mind कि आप किस तरीके का you know content डाल रहे हैं. If I can quickly, you know, and also ऐसा हो जाता है कि कई बार resonate नहीं कर पाता है. बहुत सारे अच्छे purest चीजों का तो कम हो पाता है resonate. For example, we have, I mean, one of my friends is here, Mansimran Sandhu Kiyalapaji. He's from Chicago. I collaborated with him on a song a year ago. And now he's come out with a song called Nena de Varkiya, Dunge Pani de Vargiya Akkha. This guy sitting in Chicago is doing some great music, okay? वहाँ बैठ के भी जहाँ पर लोग गुची, अरमानी, ऑडी, इन सब गाड़ियों की, इन सब चीज़ों की बातें कर रहे हैं इन सॉन्ग्स, वो कंटेंट क्या जा रहा है? I'm so sorry if you can give me a mic for a second. I would really love for you to listen to what he has just put out. And it's really cool that, you know, we really have artists who can put out true music and not badu badi. You know, sorry. But if we can have one quick line of Dunge Pani De Akkha.
For sure.
हो डूंगे पानी दे वारिगी अखां अखां पानी दे वारिगी अखां अखां वगदियां ने लखां लखां पानी दे वारिगी अखां अखां पानी दे वारिगी. क्या बात है पाजी, you know this.
Thank you so much.
Beautiful.
And हमारे पास ऐसे बहुत सारे musicians हैं. Now jumping from the music scene, हमारे पास ऐसे performers हर क्षेत्र में हैं. Okay? And it's for us, the audience, to appreciate the right content. And अगर वो हो रहा होगा तो सब कुछ सही हो जाएगा.
So I'm
Now we can jump on to what he is saying.
No,
I'm so
no.
sorry about it. मैं ज़्यादा drag कर दिया.
I really like the intervention. Why? Because, you know, we've proven two very interesting ideas on the table, which all of us are constantly talking about. One is the democratization of art, artists, regional art, new art, fresh art, across the country and across, as we see, across the world. That's one part of it. I think the other part of it is really the versatility of how platforms are finding the right artists are finding the right platforms and allowing consumers to say, hey, guess what? I gain at the end. I really want you to spend some time on those two very central parts of the world as we all see it, a world that's digital first.
Did you mean that now we have platforms where we can do what we want to do?
Partly that, and most
Okay.
importantly, they're pushing boundaries themselves.
Definitely, when we talk about an OTT or, or social media, I think that has really given the artists or any kind of performer wings, so to say. Uh, Somebody just kind of, ran into me at an airport, and abhi mahina pehle ki baat hai. And he was like, yeah, I love the kind of content you do, especially, so there's a show called Jubilee on Prime Video.
Yeah, we don't know that, na?
And I mean, so that person came to me and he was like, yeah, Apar, I love the way you have, done the right kind of content. And I was like, thanks for saying that, but thankfully these platforms exist. Thankfully these makers, writers exist. मेरा नंबर मेरी बारी चौथे नंबर पे आती है. That platform has to, greenlight the content. That writer, that director has to think about that content, and then I come into picture to get casted. So, because वो horizon खुल रहा है, because वो opportunities मिल रही हैं, platforms बढ़ रहे हैं, I think we're going the right way. I mean, I don't think so that यहाँ से कोई U-turn होने का मुझे आसार नजर आ रहा है. I don't think so.
So, one thing that everybody here in the audience loves doing, and I've been on the receiving end of this, people say, how do you measure? How do you measure engagement? How do you know you're filling the Excel sheet? How will I spend my money? And show me the numbers. So, Apar, how do you measure that? And as an artist, I think you may want to sort of take the liberty of fleshing this out for everyone here, कि हमेशा जो numbers दिखते हैं, वो numbers are not always the best metric to go to.
Yeah, as much as I would want to give a lot of love and respect to all the agencies who's putting everything together, on the Excel sheet and sending it to you or us or the there's Bark for TV, there's RAM for radio. There's so many things, which and then Omax, for films and music and so many things. As much love and respect I want to give to them, but for me, the biggest or the simplest parameter is the audience's reaction. When somebody comes, यार ये परसों की बात है, एक माँ आके मुझे कहती है, ये ना सॉफ्ट चिट्ठी सुने बगैर सोता नहीं है, इसको सॉफ्ट चिट्ठी सुनना ही पड़ता है. And if somebody is coming and talking to me about Stree 2 like that, so I mean, then I don't need to go back and check कि 600 crore हुए कि 700 crore हुए. I think the audience reaction really works for me. But having said that, it might not work for the brand or the agencies to put everything together. So then we have to respect what has been shown to us in that case. But for me, audience reaction is as in terms of gratification also, and in terms of मेरे लिए वही number correct है.
But as an artist, do you find that on one hand there is this variety, this vibrant new space where you can go and experiment? On the other, does it seem like, oh, it's also confusion central? Pehle everybody used to say, whatever's on big screen celluloid, that speaks, that drives the trends. Now you have like 7, lane highways on various kinds of formats. As an artist, what does this mean for you?
Yeah, as an artist or for किसी भी कोई भी इंसान कोई corporate structure में भी हो, suddenly एक trend बन जाता है कि ये करना है, and that becomes very stressful. Like for example, if I have to give you a topical example of filmmaking, everybody wants to do a sequel. Suddenly सबको लगा कि दृश्यम 2 आई है, स्त्री 2 आई है, भूल भुलैया 2 आई है, ड्रीम गर्ल 2 आई है. So it's the year of sequels. So I mean, वो I don't want to call it a भेड़ चाल, but वो trend कई बार follow करना पड़ जाता है. But it's stressful. It is really stressful, and I'm sure in the corporate ladder also कोई ना कोई ट्रेंड तो होगा जो सब फॉलो कर रहे होंगे कि यार इस साल ऐसे आएंगे नंबर्स, या ऐसा करेंगे बिकॉज बाकियों ने भी ऐसा किया है. सो इट्स समटाइम्स गुड टू फॉलो द ट्रेंड. At the end of the day, it will really boil down to your conviction. If you're making that sequel, following that trend with conviction, I think more often than not, you will be home.
The flip side of trend, perhaps not flip side, perhaps the other word for it could also be brand building. Because once some of these brands get built, they drive the trend and there's a reason for those sequels to come. Is that something that you think is an attractive way of consolidating audiences and turning entertainment ideas into brands that last longer? Abhi, you said Dream Girls 3, all of these, you know?
See, you know, when you talk about brand building or you're talking about sequels or, देखिए ये ज़्यादा ना producer centric question है. He'll be able to answer better. But having said that, my wife comes from ISB. मेरे को numbers equally समझ में आते हैं as, you know, the creative, you know, piece of paper. वो दोनों hand in hand जाने ज़रूरी हैं. Like when I used to be in radio back in the day, there used to be a huge tiff between the sales team and the programming team, the editorial team. You've worked at a...
Nothing is different today. Everyone here will vouch for that.
So everybody used to fight on, यार मैं बेच के आया हूँ यार ये 2 करोड़ का धंधा मैं लेकर आया हूँ. The other person says ठीक है लेकिन ये copy तो मैंने लिखी है, ad मैंने लिखी है, I voiced it, I've made the jingle, I've composed it, I've sung it. So, but having said that, it's really that family, you know, where a husband wife have to work together. Nobody can say कि यार या मैं घर चला रहा हूँ या मैं नहीं मैं ये कर रहा हूँ या नहीं कर रहा हूँ. It really has to, you have to work hand in hand. I mean it's I think the Border Gavaskar trophy, it really proves कि यार batsman और bowler को दोनों को एक साथ perform करना पड़ेगा. That's how you win matches, otherwise you don't. Simple. So you can't really walk alone. So I think so if that's the trend, if brand building की वजह से वो sequels करने important हैं, why not? Because numbers are important. Otherwise next film बनाने के पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे?
So, in that realistic note, what is brand apart today? You know, we hear music, we see movies, we see OTT. Many times you're on stage in my place. So tell us.
I was still hosting. Please welcome Shelly.
So I'm saying, you know, when you see your brand, you remind me of something that women are often asked. Can you have it all? So let me put that to you.
Yeah, thankfully I've been all over the place in a good way. ये भी हो रहा है, वो भी हो रहा है, and I was always like this as a kid as well. You know, if there are 10 things in the buffet, I would love to try all of them. You know, till 5 years ago, I used to have Sunday as a sports day. मैं Sunday को 4-5 sports एक साथ खेल जाता था. टीटी भी खेल रहा हूँ, squash भी खेल रहा हूँ, football भी खेल रहा हूँ, badminton भी खेल रहा हूँ. You know, सब कुछ एक साथ कर रहा हूँ. Touch wood, now I don't have time, otherwise इसलिए नहीं हो पा रहा है. But I love doing various activities, and I think also this is the time and era for multitasking. So it really becomes important, and that again goes right for, you can be in any profile. Till the time you're not multitasking. Today a security guard is asked to do the entry. कि आपने register पे entry करनी है, office में कितने बजे कौन कितने बजे पहुंचा है. It wasn't his job otherwise, you know. He's supposed to take care of, he's a security guard, वो security purposes के लिए वहाँ बैठा है. Everybody is multitasking. So that goes right for us artists as well. So I love doing all of it, and I think at 55, 60, whenever I want to quit as a singer or an actor, you might just see me, you know, कहीं performing कर रहा हूँगा शायद, या फिर maybe I really want to, I've already started it, but I want to really master that. मैंने how to cut the fabric to, you know, make an outfit, मैंने try करना शुरू कर दिया है already. So maybe at 55 I would want to just sit on the machine and just make clothes for my kids or my grandkids, I don't know.
So there's a budding fashion designer also.
I
And a
don't want to
farmer
call myself
also.
a fashion designer, but yeah, I mean, my father had a lot of love for clothes that carried on to me, and you know, I wouldn't want to be a fashion designer. That I think you need to be really qualified for that. But I don't mind putting things together. I think once a creative person, you'll always be a creative person in other fields as well.
I think you're really picking the term versatility and taking it to a new level on this subject here. But let's deep dive into social media, right? Our friend, our foe, our fear, as is for all of you as well. How important is it for you to make sure that you are the star on social media? After each release, each event, each film?
Yeah, my journey so far will tell you that it's not important for me to be a star anywhere, neither at home nor outside, nor on social media or otherwise. I've had a journey of an artist, and that's exactly how I would want it in the next 7 lives as well.
Let me reframe that. What's your relationship with social media?
Oh, because it's work.
Yeah.
Touch wood, I work 18 to 20 hours a day. It's work, so I have to do it. Otherwise, I wouldn't, I mean, because it has become an addiction for everybody, and you have to show yourself out there, तभी काम चलेगा. So you have to do it. Simple. कोई काम अभी if you tell me अभी काम करने के लिए, if it's a part of my KRA and if I've been paid for that, you want me to serve water here, I'll serve water here. It's somebody has asked me to do it. Today I'm hired for that. Simple. So I mean, and my papa used to tell me that. So long time ago, when recession had hit, the US market. So I was in college and I suddenly क्या होता है ना, हर 3-4 साल बाद ना एक नया word आता है. हमें तो नहीं social distancing पता था 4 साल पहले, है ना? So उस time पे recession सुनने को आया पहली बार. So I asked my father, and I was in first year of college maybe. नहीं, I don't remember the year, and I was like, Papa, recession क्या होता है? So he's trying to explain me the economy, कि ऐसे crash down हो गई है, this, that, and the other. And I was like, यार अब मैं बड़ा हो रहा हूँ, मेरा अभी काम करने का टाइम है, तो अभी सब वही नौकरियों को लेकर ऐसे होना था. और मेरे को तो पैसे कमाने, मुझे काम करना है. So he said something very simple, and touch wood, I mean, so far it has worked for me. He said, there's nothing called recession or unemployment. किसी इंसान का काम करने का मन है, उसको काम मिल जाएगा. Of course, you have to थोड़ा बहुत आपको adjust करना पड़ेगा, accommodate करना पड़ेगा. So, I've always been a workaholic. It came from my father, and because it is a part of my care is to deliver on Instagram, so I do it.
I know that this question would have been asked many times, but I think sometimes context also matters. Do you get disappointed when social media doesn't, let's say, thrive on a moment for you?
Social media doesn't?
Thrive on a moment for you at that point.
No, yaar, I'm not emotionally connected at all to my work, I want to work each day, I work each day, but I'm not emotionally connected to it at all. अगर किसी को मेरी फिल्म नहीं पसंद आई है, मेरा पोस्ट पसंद नहीं आया, मेरा गाना पसंद नहीं आया, I move on to the next one in 10 seconds. I'm inside the studio in 10 seconds sharp. And I'm not emotionally connected to this at all. I don't feel bad on these things. And I think in a world which is so competitive and so opinionative, Instagram पे तो लोग कुछ भी बोल जाते हैं आके यार. It's very difficult. So इसलिए you have to really detach yourself.
So एक business element of social media है where there are stars on television and screen. Then there's stars on social media. And some would say stars on social media suddenly become stars on screen. I don't know whether one should question this, but I'll leave it as an open question that we don't know whether they're trained to be actors on screen, for example, right? So in today's world, suddenly following is more than just a currency. It's an opportunity. What's your opinion there? I mean, and I want an honest opinion.
Yeah, of course, of course. See, it really depends. First of all, I'm not saying that a content creator or a stand-up comedian or an influencer cannot become an actor. It goes both ways. Not every actor would know how to create content. So same goes there as well. Number one. Number two, it really depends, how you open that market for yourself. I don't want to name anyone. There have been content creators who have, pushed boundaries and have been able to perform on the other side as well. There are people who have miserably failed. So, I mean, but having said that, I think kudos to the entire social media world. I think the parallel economy which they have created for themselves, especially post-2020, it's unprecedented, it's mind-blowing, it's amazing to see that this world has come out of nowhere. The brands are looking out for them, the agencies are looking out for them, the casting directors are looking out for them, us as fellow artists are looking out for them, and we love them. So I think it's beautiful to see that म्यूजिक कितने सालों से होते आ रहा है हमारे देश में, ओवरऑल वर्ल्ड में, फिल्में कितने टाइम से बनती आ रही हैं. ये एक फील्ड थी, we became a part of it, but they created this field, and it's amazing to see that.
There is
So in that case, even if they take our job, I don't mind at all, because they have really worked hard for it.
So, there's one thing about the creator economy. The other side of it is people look at it as diversification. Hi, can I request you guys to shut that door? I know there is no standing room also now with Apar
मुझे लगा
being
shut
in
the
the
mouth
house.
बोलने वाले हो आप, मैं इसलिए डर गया. मुझे लगा shut the mouth बोलने वाले हो, मुझे लगा.
I'll tell you when it's time.
Quick 5 more minutes left.
So, they often say that one way to look at the creator economy or an artist's work is also to see how easily they can diversify today. Maybe not the word easily, but how at least there's an opportunity on the table today to say you don't have to be one thing. there's an opportunity to diversify and ensure that on a day somebody's movie doesn't work, they've got 5 other things that they do. That was not happening, say, 5, 10 years ago. And that's a big plus.
It is, for sure. See, people say that, I mean, it hasn't touched what happened to me, but people say that it has not been a great year for films. In the past couple of years, they haven't really done well or something like that. So people do say that, and there might be a correction in the market. But having said that, so me and Bhaiya was just talking about it, a couple of weeks ago, that even if our films don't work, we have music, hosting, so many other things to do. So, but you're right. I mean, I think the kind of, but having said that, all these things are interrelated beyond a point. If you, like when we used to do theatre back in the day, खुद अपना play लिखना, कई बार direct करना, तो music writing भी वही है. You have to tell the story not in an hour but in 3 minutes. So I think interlinked है, but yes, definitely it really opens the creative juices in you. They come out in a better way. Because वो अलग-अलग तरीके से वो बात निकल रही है, so you feel more confident about your craft, you feel more settled in the head, because just in case one thing doesn't work, you have another thing to, depend upon for that year. So it really helps.
So just as well you know your own talent, I know that you understand your consumer as well. Today there is so much edginess in the content which perhaps India was scared to both watch and produce, say 5, 8, 10 years ago. How do you want to kind of reflect on the changing appetite of the Indian consumer when it comes to creativity?
Yeah, I think the audience is becoming intelligent. Slowly though, very slowly. Because the masses, people sitting in tier 2, tier 3 cities might not be watching a Made in Heaven, So वो मुश्किल है थोड़ा. But having said that, slowly we're becoming more intelligent and more aware about what we want to watch, what we want to listen to. हमें, conversations भी online, YouTube पे, podcasts, कौन से सुनने हैं? Is it something जहाँ पे vulgar बातें हुए जा रही हैं? Is it something जहाँ पर genuinely meaningful conversations हो रही हैं about economy or about politics or about food, about music, about so many things. So audience intelligent हो रही है, hence there is a need for the, इसीलिए writers लिखना शुरू कर रहे हैं वो चीज़ें. ऐसा नहीं that they did not know how to write that back in the day. In the 70s as well they knew it. In 80s also they knew it. 90s as well. Even in 90s we had the most commercial films in 90s, and we had some very different way of storytelling, from a Baby Number One to a Coolie Number One to so many things, We have had, I mean, those times of, in a good way, funny. मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था, भेलपूरी खा रहा था, so तुझे मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूँ? So, I mean, we enjoyed all of that. But having said that, at that time, the audiences did not give that push to the writers कि हमें चाहिए कि आप स्त्री, दंगल और अंधाधुन और गली बॉय और there's so many of them. ऐसी फिल्में बनाएं, Made in Heaven बने, Jubilee बने, so many other things, So I think audience has helped the writers to push the boundaries, and hence the writers have further pushed us to kind of, do better things.
Yeah, they're creative boundaries and then the technology boundaries. Any idea what I'm talking about? It's the 2-letter word that has just been around everywhere in this hall, in the many halls. AI. Are you scared, Apar, of AI? Are you willing to embrace it? Where are you on it?
यार देखिए, it might sound cliche, लेकिन genuinely ये बात सच है कि बदलाव ही प्रकृति का नियम है, and change is the only constant. If this is how we are evolving, if this is what the way forward is, तो ठीक है यार, तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है. Because it's really important to move ahead with, time. A theatre actor sitting in Lucknow cannot really say कि यार मैं नहीं बॉम्बे जा सकता, मुझे तो यहीं पे बैठ के एक्टिंग करनी है. You will have to go. I mean, again, a purist musician can't really beyond a point say that मुझे Instagram पे नहीं डालना है अपना music. I mean, तभी मैं पहले fortunately, unfortunately कह रहा था. But if you are a purist, you should rather definitely put your music out, because the half-baked things getting trended, आपको तो definitely बहुत प्यार मिलेगा. So go out and try that medium as well. So अगर जो भी चीज़ बदलाव के साथ आज की चीज़ है, I mean, I think it's the right way to go there because बाकी लोगों ने approve कर दिया है उसको and it reaches India way later than the West. So I mean वहाँ से approve हो गया है एक तरह से. I'm sure we will take a U-turn and we will go back to that organic lifestyle. Phone पे WhatsApp नहीं चाहिए. We want to go back to the small little phones. We want to go back to landlines maybe. We want to go back to farming maybe. We want to go back to maybe just plain simple dhoti kurta and etc 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 and not wear like cool bougie clothes. But I think उसके लिए time लगेगा. But definitely वो time आएगा. When people will be like, यार नहीं देखना है कोई content, बस मुझे yoga करना है तो बैठ के. So yeah.
So no, now confession time. And do you use AI to write music?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Will you act an AI written script?
So there is a film on Netflix called Control.
Of course.
A lot of people don't know. The voice of AI is me. I am the AI in it. So
It's maybe pitch, but allowed here.
so जो एलन और नेला के बीच में कहानी है. What's up, नेला? कैसी हो तुम? क्या करोगी? क्या मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? So that's me in the film. So yeah.
I love versatility. That's lovely. Before we let you go, I want to ask you a couple of things around, when you do so many things, there's bound to be this thing, I love music and I love my movies. How do you make choices between the two?
Yeah, I don't think too much on that. I never plan my life. I don't, whatever comes my way first, I just go ahead with it. I think in any case, there's so much of confusion on what to do, what not to do, and will this work or will this not work. So I just kind of, जो मेरे सामने चीज़ पहले आती है, like एक छोटी सी किताब है चाणक्य नीति, उसमें एक बहुत सिंपल सी चीज़ लिखी हुई है कि अच्छा खाना क्या है, जो आपके सामने आ जाए सबसे पहले वही अच्छा खाना है जब आपको भूख लगी है. If you keep on waiting for that one, pizza which will take an hour to reach you, तब तक भूख मर चुकी होती है यार. So I think जो चीज़ मेरे सामने पहले आती है मुझे लगता है ये करने का समय है, I do it. I don't think too much.
So we were talking about brands. I want to talk about a biopic. If
Bio?
Biopic.
Biopic.
Yeah. If somebody was to make a biopic today on your life, who would you pick other than yourself to act? I thought you
Till a week ago,
Ah.
I would have said Yograj Singh, but then I saw that interview. No, because that guy is full of energy, He's really full of energy. And और मेरी बायोपिक बनेगी तो क्या होगी? Like it'll be like मेरा नाम भी है ना जो ऐसे लगता है किसी इंसान का नाम लगता नहीं है, किसी दवाई का नाम लगता है जो लोग सोने से पहले खाते होंगे शायद.
With some golden rays on the
अपार
side.
शक्ति गोल्ड भैया खाए भाभी मुस्कुराए.
Yeah. Are you launching a capsule?
These are those capsules actually, So if that's the biopic, Apar Shakti Gold, Bhaiya Khai, Bhabhi Muskurai, Yograj Singh is the perfect pick, fit there. But I saw that interview and I wouldn't want him to play a part. So anyone who has good energy, yeah, I mean, there's so many good actors who have good energy. But I picked up one. इस बात की controversy मत बना देना बस सब कुछ. कि अपार ने ये कहा, योगराज सिंह के इंटरव्यू के बाद अपार ने ये कहा. But it's quite a, I don't know. उस इंटरव्यू का जो पूरा ग्राफ है ना वो टक 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 चलता ही रहता है. You can't stop watching it. And I didn't see it on Instagram. वो तो बाद में आया. It got released and I just kind of saw it. Because I like how Sandesh, does his, shows and podcasts and conversations. And I had no idea what I'm entering into. And I'm not kidding, I started watching it at 3:30 a.m. I had landed back from Berlin, Germany, and मैंने 5 बजे वो खत्म किया है. I did not sleep without finishing it because.
तो controversy तो अब बनेगी अगर ये वाले question का answer देंगे.
Hi Rabba, time is up. Time is up.
Oh, that's terrible. You can't. No, this is called bad timing. Okay, listen. Who would you not want to do your biopic?
There is a really cool artist in Delhi called Shelly Chopra.
Oh.
वो artist बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन मेरी biopic नहीं कर पाएगी वो.
ऐसा
I don't want you to do it.
Terrible answer वैसे.
नहीं यार, why should I take someone else's name? Yeah, are you bad? I don't want to be in a fix later. मुझे लग रहा है अभी मैंने योगपा जी का नाम लेके कुछ गलत तो नहीं बोल दिया. So yeah. I mean, because at the end of the day, he has been a cricketer who represented the country. So, I mean, yeah, I don't want to create any controversies here. I hope मैंने कोई ऐसी गलत बात बोली तो नहीं ना यार, guys. कहीं पता चले अपार आया तो अपनी तरफ से सीधी सादी बात
What do they say? There's that saying, trust me, I'm only in the media. Okay, we have a minute. I actually can't see. Oh, it's rap. Lovely. So,
बोल दिया कि
we started with
इससे ज़्यादा
music.
अपार को बर्दाश्त नहीं कर
हाँ,
पाएंगे।
हाँ.
उनकी आंखों में यही था।
It's too
नहीं,
much
बस
Shakti
रहने
here.
दो।
Acha, we have to end at where we started because
What is
I
that?
didn't let you sing the song that you
Oh.
just launched. So perhaps that's a
यार,
good
मैंने
way
वो
to
तो
do
हल्का
it.
सा सुना ही दिया था, है ना?
That name.
तो, but I would just request you to, whenever you get
बता तो
time.
दो पूरा गाना
मैं-
मतलब बता तो दो कि कल लॉन्च हुआ है.
Okay, the hook of it is, सोना मुखड़ा मुखड़ा सोना ओए ओए ओए, सोना मुखड़ा मुखड़ा सोना ओए, सोना मुखड़ा चंदा टुकड़ा जादूगरियां करदा है, वैसे तां दिल फिर बरा पर तेरे उत्ते मरदा है. So that's a song called Sona Mukhada. But what I want to give them is soft, chitty, warm, chitty, little ball of fur. Happy chitty, sleepy chitty, purr, purr, purr. You can sing this lullaby to your partners and have a good night, guys, when you go back home. Shelly.
With the Apar Shakti capsule. Thank you very much. Fantastic to have you all with us. And thank you, Apar.
Shelly, it was lovely chatting up with
pleasure.
you. Beautiful energy. Thank you so much. Thank you.